What's going on, family? Demondre Douglas back with another video. Today we have the Herbalife Nutrition Bluetooth wireless speaker. Now I know that sounds like a mouthful, and most of you aren't familiar with Herbalife. They sell nutrition products similar to Avon, and these were one of their special event reward items, etc. It really reminds me of a Bose speaker or a JBL speaker. Anyway, I found this on sale, $10. Um, when I look up speakers, these things go for a lot. Like little speakers like this will be 40, 50, 60 bucks. And I just think that's absurd. But this thing came with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB. It's not USB Type C, but it came with the cable, which is all you can ask for these days. And it comes with a stake so that you can put it into the ground, the party speaker. You can also pair multiple speakers to have like a stereo effect. So I just want to show you guys, if you see this speaker, you're interested in buying it, but you don't know what you're going to get, this little review will help you. Spoiler alert, I felt like the speaker sounded awesome for the size and the price. She does have a little lisp to her, don't laugh at her.
Bluetooth mode. Connect successfully.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys what you need to be looking for. You're going to be looking for the HN speaker. So if you turn this on, immediately it's going to start trying to pair. If not, just hit the Bluetooth button and it'll come on. You can pair it. That simple. If you press volume up or down, it'll change the song. So you have to hold it to change the volume, and then you have a play pause button, and you have a spot for the aux and to actually charge the speaker, as you can see. So I'll play something real quick just so you guys can see how it sounds. I give it 8 out of 10. I think it sounds really good, and to be honest with you, for the price, I would say a 10 out of 10. Yep. Here we go.
It's all God given. I was dead in my sin. Christ made me breathe again. Twanked out all night with my demon friends. Mama kept pleading when I didn't believe in him. I got saved, now it's time to bring my people in. I got souls to reach.
Volume max.
This is the next.
God the one promoting me. I got the blueprint. Bible be the roadman. Holy Ghost rap. Snatching all these souls back. Satan asked to sip me. He thought that I was forfeiting. Putting up that old man. I done killed him off like Roseanne.
I love the bass.
The price paid at the cross. He run the game like a boss and made a way for the lost. That's Jesus who got up out the grave like him. Brought life to the earth. Healed the lame like him. Casted out demons. Healed the sick and broke chains like him. You can't dethrone him, little homie. Ain't no king like him. That's Jesus who went down.
So yeah, man, this little thing is mad loud, and I believe it allows you to bring the party with you, especially in the indoor setting. I don't know about outdoor, depends on what you have around you. But I give this speaker an 8 out of 10, and depending on the price you can get it for, a 10 out of 10.